How to use Google Calendar for scheduling. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can schedule your calendar like Google Calendar. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to calendar.google.com, and as you can see, I have previously scheduled some tasks of my own, for example May Day and all other things. For example, this one, decompress consolation and etc. So to create schedule like this, you just have to tap onto the date that you want to create this schedule. For example, this one. So just tap onto the date and then you have to enter a title and time. For example, I'm gonna add meeting, and from there you can add time, you can add guest, you can add Google Meet videos to it like conferencing, you can add location and many more. Just check them out. You can add task description. From here you can add my task. So if you want to schedule a event, then you can choose the event one, and if you want to schedule a task, you can schedule a task, then you have to save it. So there we go. You can check out this meeting site that it has been completely set it up. So this is how you can do it. Also, you can create new calendar by clicking onto this create option, and you can create event, task or appointment schedule if you want. So that was pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.